Oh.
This looks good. It is, like you can really see different definition, eh?
Yeah.
Anyway, is this a massage video or bloody...
Back to banana.
G'day guys, Maddie and Aaron here from MMT. Bit of a different video for you today. Last week, a video went up of Maddie and me doing a treatment on Maddie, and the hair was a factor.
Yep.
So what we're going to do now is showcase if you are a hairy person out there and massage is sometimes hard. We're literally going to wax Maddie today to see if he can get a better effective treatment, a better release, and just a better experience, because from all the practitioners here, I think we're a bit sick of treating your hairy legs.
Sick of my hairy legs, eh?
Yeah.
I think YouTube likes it, but hey, we'll get rid of it.
Yeah, people like the hair, but not the practitioners. So we've brought in our best waxer, and you can go to Patreon to see the full waxing video. Three.
No! Do I have a crack here? Go quick. On three.
That is what not to do.
Okay, voila. Just like that, Maddie.
Easy.
How good's that?
Pretty
Bob's your
weird.
auntie. Yeah, does it feel cold?
Yeah,
Like, what are you feeling,
feels
bro?
numb.
Feels numb. Oh, so we can hook in here, yeah?
Ooh, this feels funny.
Oh my gosh.
This is different.
Feels so much different for me too. Now that's comedy. And then?
Oh, shiver my timbers.
Does it hurt? Like,
Feels like I'm getting a leg treatment. This was nice.
but like, does it hurt the wax holes?
The skin's a bit tender, especially if you end up going a bit closer to my groin.
Crikey, man, but it just feels so smooth.
Should we see the massacre that Jason
Oh
caused?
my gosh.
Nah.
So I think that one was me and that one was Jason. Should we just treat it here? What do you reckon, bro?
I'll let you know.
No, it's healing.
It's good for you.
Healing.
Builds character.
Heal the
Heal.
bum.
Oh yeah, lovely. No, heal.
So, yes, we are working through Matt's quads.
Just get a definition on my quad. Didn't realise how much of a beast my
Yeah,
legs
you
are.
get more ripped when you shave your legs. That's why I do it every day.
Ooh. It's actually, this is really bizarre. I've never had, I don't know what this feels like.
A treatment without
Yeah.
hair.
Might do it again. On the left leg.
It's interesting, like, I reckon I can, you got a better feel. Me actually treating you feels like I've got a better feel of what's going on underneath.
Yeah.
It's like because you got quite coarse hair, Mediterranean hair, it's like, it was different to normal hair because it was like such a sheath or like a barrier between the actual skin. So I reckon even with wax on, it felt a bit, I don't know, you couldn't get that same feel.
Yeah, I know when I've had clients, it's like you get to go through these different layers and feel, but when there's hair, you've got to even like try to not pull it, then it affects it.
Yeah, and it's weird. Sometimes like you get people that with hair, you think it's pulling and it's not. You ever had that where you're like, that's got to be pulling, and you ask them and they're like, no, I can't feel it at all.
Yeah.
And then sometimes the same thing, someone's like, oh my God, my hair's pulling out. So it's interesting. So you're just working through like the quads, as I said. So this is the rectus femoris, which is the kind of most top layer quad. But you've also got a really long, skinny muscle that like kind of wraps on the inside of that rec fem, and that's kind of what separates the adductors from the quads. So I'm kind of working through that now. That starts at the top here and all wraps around into the inside of the leg, and that can get actually quite sticky on people too. So I'll just show you over here, Leo. See that long one through there? So you've got the quads here, and then you've got that long, skinny one there. So I was kind of just making my way down that line there, and then you've got the adductors underneath that. What do you got here? Where'd you pull that from, mate? Pull that out of your underpants, did you? You were at a fucking munch on it too, mate. Bloody hell.
I thought I could have a quick smoko.
Can't fucking take my eyes off this bloke. Never know what he's going to pull out of his pants.
Hopefully that's all.
He's like a trouser banana. Anyway. Back to the treatment, Matt.
Oh,
What's Leo saying?
I step ones.
What?
You step on undies, bananas.
No, these are booties.
Black booties.
Look like a bloody pig. What? Don't like the skin, like the, I don't know.
What do you
Or
mean?
a skinless cat. Look at the difference
A
of it.
Siamese cat. Yeah, let's have a look at the definition here. Show the people what you can get when you just. Which one do you like better? I reckon we're gonna fracture our community here. This one or this one?
Get my point of view, Leo. Look at that. Oh.
This looks good. It is like you can really see different definition, eh?
Yeah.
Anyways, is this a massage video or bloody?
Back to banana. Ooh.
This has got to be our most off the cuff video ever. Don't step in the wax over there.
Oh. Choking on my banana.
Jesus.
Oh.
It's funny 'cause they
Oh.
This is ridiculous. You keep eating, mate.
Thanks.
This is actually a challenge. Can you eat and receive this treatment? Ready? Try.
You went harder there.
Sorry, I slipped. It's just so slippery now. Get this bloke eating it. Look at this.
I didn't get to eat lunch because we were busy waxing my leg.
He's all right. It's all good. It's all good. It's the first time he's ever had his quad stripped. Nice, bro.
I'm 100% posting the waxing on my own thing as well. My own link.
Okay. Is this your OnlyFans?
No, hey, you can't say that word.
You can't say that word. Why? What
I don't know,
happens?
YouTube might not like it.
Okay, sorry. I take it back.
Definitely bleep
Genius, yeah?
Oh, are we just on quad? No hamstring or anything?
Oh, you want to do hamstring?
Should we? No, save for another time.
Save it for another time, bro. I'm going to get through this sartorius, man.
Yeah.
Are you sartorius? Go on, mate.
So is this waxing stuff going to be a bit of a series?
I hope not.
Well, someone's going to be freaking next.
I'd be worried if I was Jace, I think, with his legs.
Nah.
Ninja's a fan of getting clipped, so he probably is.
I might clip it before I get the jersey.
Yeah.
I'd rather clip it than get waxed.
You're missing the treatment, mate. Get down here. Yeah, there you go. Nah, come from the other side, I reckon. No, over here.
Leo.
Yeah, and then come back this way. Yeah, see that? That's good. Bit wider. I
Oh,
reckon.
your
Bit
mum.
wider.
Us. Sort of a comment saying poor thumbs for you.
Yeah, they don't realise me and Jace, like, this is our strong point, like the bend there. If I treat it like this, like, I can still do it, but, like, it just doesn't feel as good, does it, Jace?
Nah.
So I'm just working my way up the sartorius here. So just following that line on the outside of the quad. A little bit quicker than our normal treatment, but if this is a flush, yeah, we're just trying to flush some blood, some synovial fluid through all these muscles, hydrate everything. Still doing it in a nice slow way,
Yeah.
but it's not like a classic pin of a spot to kind of really shift something that's chronically tight. But this stuff can still be amazing at just hydrating some of these lines of muscles and fascia. So yeah, starting on the inside of that knee there, just being really comprehensive, picking everything up.
This is like a lot better. Like as in.
The experience for you?
Yeah, I feel like you're getting into areas where usually it's like the hairs is a nuisance.
Yeah. And even with you, I think like sometimes when we did put a bit of wax on your hair, like
the treatment.
yeah, when we start treating you, there'd be areas that we'd be opening up that didn't have wax on them, so you'd find all these snag points from the hair. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah,
So,
not gliding anymore, and it's like, oh shit.
yeah.
Oh, definitely well worth it
There's some good
if you're a client and you want a good leg treatment, and if you have too much hair, just maybe get it done.
Get it done.
Make your experience a lot better.
But it's actually so much better for me too.
Oh, yeah.
Like, I'm actually really enjoying these strips here rather than getting snagged.
Good experiences reciprocated.
That's it.
Between us.
Good for all parties. And there's actually good stuff in here, eh? Like you can probably feel like there's some...
Yeah, mate, yesterday I was rock climbing, had to like push with one leg, and then my leg was burning, and it's like, this is great for the leg, I love it. This is
How
good.
good's that? Did you find $10?
What?
Make the story cooler.
Oh. I'll just shut up. I'll just
No, that was good. Tell us, was it a
Nah,
full dyno?
This microphone. I don't know.
Was it what? Oh, yeah. What does double mic do?
Oof. Okay. Whoosh.
Come on, Maddie. So now I'm coming more on top. So this is more rec fam. So this is really good for like people that are in the gym a lot, doing a lot of leg weights, sports people, athletes. It's very common for people to get, glutes, lower back, hamstrings and calves worked. But yeah, people don't get their quads worked enough, I feel like anyway. And I reckon the quads are a lot of the time the inhibiting muscle that's actually causing other things to not work properly. So getting some work done through these quads and offloading other areas of the body can be a gem. And the hidden secret.
This video is half tutorial,
Half fun.
The
That's the
opposite.
MMT way, isn't it?
Yeah. That's what people
How's my upper camera looking here, Leo? Am I getting all my best angles?
Oh.
This is so good. Like, feels so easy to get into everything here, brother.
Lost a bit of weight. Oh, man, sprints will be funny.
You'll be cold on one leg.
Yeah. Oh, definitely. Oos.
All right. These blokes have left. They've had enough. Our viewing the audience is gone. Yeah, they weren't happy. Stuff them.
If you're watching this still, leave a comment of what other part of the body would you like waxed, or if someone else in at MMT would you like waxed?
Who would you like waxed? We reckon Darcy's eyebrows would be a good one to get waxed. What do you think?
I think he treats his eyebrows with lots of love. Like they're very perfect.
Oh, he loves his mani-pedi facial setups.
Yeah, but his other than that, like I would say you to do your legs.
I would love my ass to be waxed.
All right. Me too, bud. For camera. But
We could have a wax off.
do you have hairy arms?
Mate.
Mate.
There's a video.
Your legs don't have much.
No, because I wax them all the time, bro.
But I was gonna say
Not wax them, I shave them.
yours would be great to wax because you got a long leg, so it'd be heaps.
Betty, cancel my 2 o'clock. Anyway, Maddie's leg. That is one hell of a nice leg to treat. So, yeah, that was a bit of a... Look at the difference. Look at that. That was a bit of comedy, a bit of tutorial, a bit of massage, the MMT way. Hopefully you liked it. Thanks for donating your body to science, Maddie. Thanks to Nina as well. And make sure if you haven't already, join Patreon to see the full waxing video. I think there's 3 videos, 3 parts. How good's that?
There's a lot in that.
45 minutes of Maddie getting waxed with 4 blokes giggling up the top. And join this show. I reckon we've got to show the butchery. Look at that.
Oh my
gosh.
word.
Anyway,
That hurt the most.
thanks guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Ciao.